What if I told you a young IPL opening pair has just broken a legendary record? And they did it 61 balls quicker than Sehwag and Gambhir? Sounds crazy, right? For years, the fastest 500 runs by an Indian opening duo belonged to Virendra Sehwag and Gautam Gambhir. They took 309 balls to get there. And honestly, it felt like one of those records that would just stay untouched. But in IPL 2026, everything changed. Vaibhav Suryavanshi and Yashasvi Jaiswal have done something special. Something no one really saw coming this early in their journey. They reached 500 runs together in just 248 balls. Think about that for a second. That's 61 balls fewer. Almost 10 overs earlier. That's not just breaking a record. That's completely rewriting it. And the way it happened makes it even better. This came against Gujarat Titans on 4th April. Before the match even began, they were already sitting on 497 runs in 246 balls. So basically, they just needed one good shot. And then, on the second ball of the innings, there it was. Just like that. 500 runs as a pair. No drama, no build-up, just pure dominance. Record broken. Just like that. And here's the part that should really scare the rest of the teams. This is only their second season opening together. They're not even at their peak yet. In the power play alone, Jaiswal has already hit 25 sixes. And Vaibhav has added another 20. That's 45 sixes, just between the two of them. To put that into perspective, some entire teams don't even have those numbers. So yeah, these two aren't just performing, they're dominating. CSK has 21. Delhi Capitals have 26. Which brings us to the big question. Are we looking at the next great opening pair in IPL history? Or is this just the beginning of something even bigger? Let me know what you think. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure you stick around for more IPL stories.